Hey girls, this is basically a video of me doing more problems that you kind of know how to do, but it's good to do them. So it says, this is the same as addition. You must always change a mixed number into an improper fraction just to be safe. All right, now when the denominators are the same, subtracting and adding are really easy because you do the operation to the numerators, so 7 minus 2, 5, and you put it over the common denominator of 9. Sometimes they're not the same. Now, you have a couple choices here, and some of you are going to multiply 6 times 4 to get a common denominator, and some people are going to see that 12 is the least common denominator. I'm going to use 12. If you use 24, you'll get the same answer. In fact, I'm going to do that up here, sneaky other work, after I do this one. But I can see that 6 and 4 both have multiples that are 12. So here I go. I multiplied 6 times 2, so I have to also multiply 5 times 2 to build a new fraction. I multiplied 4 times 3, so I have to multiply 1 times 3. Remember, I cannot add or subtract until these are the same. And so this turns out to be 10 minus 3, which is 7 over 12. Okay, now let's say you used 24. Well, in that case, you must have multiplied 6 by 4 to get 24. So you have to multiply 5 by 4 to get 20. And you multiplied 4 by 6 to get 24. So you have to multiply 1 by 6. And so when I get done, I do 20 minus 6, which is 14 over 24. But this fraction isn't simplified because 2 can go into both the numerator and the denominator evenly. I'm going to erase here a little bit, scooch over more. So I can simplify this by putting 2 into 14 to get 7, and 2 into 14 to get 12. And lo and behold, they both give me the same answer. So either method is fine. It doesn't matter which one you use. If you see this smaller one, then you won't have to simplify in the end. Or if you don't, you will have to simplify, but they both work. Let me get that cursor out. All right, I said you had to change these into a improper fraction. I'm going to pause. And you're going to do that, and you're going to pause. And then, okay, I hope that's what you got. And now I'm going to see that these both go into 12, or when I multiply them together, I get 12. And now I have to build. What did I multiply 3 by to get 12? 4. So I must multiply 17 by 4. I'm going to have to do some side work for that. I don't know what 17 times 4 is. So I'm going to go off to the side and do 7 times 4 is 28. 4 times 1 is 4, 5, 6, 68. Remember, these numbers are a lot bigger because I had these giant whole numbers in front. And then I'm going to do, I multiplied by 3 to get 12, multiply by 3. So 13 times 3. Got a lot of working out here. 9 and 3, 39. And now I have to do 68 minus 39. So I have all this weedy side work over here. At that one, at that one. Now I'm going to do this one. Whoops. 68 minus 39. So I have to borrow one off there, borrow a 10. So I go 18 minus 9 is 9, and 5 minus 3 is 2. 29, and I keep the bottom the same, over 12. All right, last one. I'm going to pause for a minute, change into improper, and decide what the common denominator is. All right, I hope you got these fractions. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 1 is 41. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19. I picked 20 because 5 times 4 is 20. They both go into 20. And then I decided that I multiplied by 4. So 41 times 4, multiplied by 4 on the top and the bottom. 4, 16, 164. And I multiplied by 5 to get 20. So 19 times 5. You can still see what I'm doing? Yeah, 19 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 95. It's going to take some of you a long time to do that because you don't know your times tables, but that's the price you pay. All right, so over here I'm going to do 164 minus 95. I have to borrow a 10 from there. So 14 minus 5 is 9. And I have to borrow that 15 minus 9, I guess is what I'm really doing, is 6. So 69 over 20. Great. These are your problems. Got to get at least to there during class, I hope.